Top 5 Best Car Alarm Systems. Number 1. Avital 3100 Lucy's 3-channel keyless entry car alarm. 3-channel security keyless entry system, bright red LED status indicator, includes 2 3-button transmitters, dome light supervision, separate relay required.
Number 2. Viper 3106V 3-channel one-way car alarm system. 3-channel, one-way security system with keyless entry, 4-button remotes and control center. Stinger double guard shock sensor detects tampering. Revenger 6-tone soft chirp siren and parking light alarm response. Comfort closure automatically closes windows on some vehicles. 2 auxiliary outputs.
Number 3. Maxsa Innovations 37314 WRS White Dual Parking Aid with Light. Park Right Dual Laser with LED lights, the way to help park 2 cars and navigate tight garages with ease. Motion-activated dual lasers and LED light turn on upon approach from up to 10 feet away. Adjustable laser beams tell you where to stop to park perfectly, every time, and comes with LED light to illuminate your garage, so you can see walking to or from your vehicle. Easy installation with either included screws or double stick tape. AC powered, requires no wiring, optional backup battery. Number 4. BlueFire Motorcycle Security Kit Alarm System Anti-Hijacking Cutting Off Remote Engine Start Arming Disarming. Work with any motorcycle with 12-volt batteries. This electronic anti-theft alarm with remote controller can let your motorbike keep away from thieves. Automatic remote engine start. Adjustable shock sensor, remote arming disarming, flashing lights warning /125 dB powerful siren warning, emergency alarm, anti-hijacking by cutting off power supply. Number 5. Kidde Carbon Monoxide Alarm Detector Digital Display Battery Operated Model K and COP BLPM. Digital display, displays the level of carbon monoxide the unit is sensing. Shows company level in ppm, parts per million. Updates digital reading every 15 seconds, allowing you to see if levels change. Peak level memory displays the highest CO concentration measured since the last reset. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.